Hello my friends, how you doing? This is Coffee Chug and I am here to launch and introduce 25 Days of Student Making. Guys, back in December of 2018, I had the crazy idea of like an advent calendar of making. And we had 25 phenomenal makers share projects every single day. Actually, we had 30. We had 5 bonus builds because there was so much outpouring of sharing. Now it's time to take it to the next level and make it all about students. So this challenge is for students. I don't care what age you are by student. That can be college all the way down to wee little ones. And you can share any project you want. Whether we're talking makey, whether we're talking Lego or duct tape or paint or art, it does not matter. We are here to embrace the power of student creativity, innovation, and just a celebration of being willing to share our work. So here's what you got to do. In the website, if you're on YouTube checking this out, the link's down in the notes. On the website, you're going to see the registration page, and there's a very simple Google form asking you to fill out your information. And being a student, I do need information for your parent or your teacher or an adult that you can work with just to make sure everything is kosher. And then I'm going to send you and follow you up. We're going to get you all set. We're going to get you signed into the calendar. And you're going to have the whole month of March to design, take pictures, make your videos. And the goal being that when we unveil your project in the month of April, starting on April 1st, we will post the first project and we will continue for 25 straight days. Kids around the world, classrooms from all over the world can check out your project and follow your guide to learn and make the awesomeness that you're willing to share. So it's not just about making, it's also about teaching and empowering and seeing what people can do with your ideas. So get those gears turning, think about what you're going to make, start building and prototyping, start sketching, and then start doing. And I look forward to seeing your ideas. So get going, sign in the form. Once we reach 25, we're going to cap it for my own sanity reasons. So it's a first come, first serve for this round. Guys, I'm so excited to see what you're going to create. I'm so excited to see the ideas that emerge and the celebration of learning and making that's going to take place all over the world. All right, this is Coffee Chug. I don't have my coffee. I need some coffee. I've got to get making, and you've got to get signing up and thinking about the ideas you're going to share with the world. And as I always say, make sure you stay awesome. Peace.